Hello friends. So in today's question, three blocks A, B, C are arranged in the figure. Pulleys and strings are ideal. All surfaces are frictionless. If block C is observed moving down along the incline at 1 meter per second square, find the mass of the block B, tension in the string, and acceleration of A and B as the system is released from the rest. So this is a given figure. So block C is moving down the plane, inclined plane, which is having C is having mass of 3 kg, A is having mass of 6 kg, and the acceleration of C down the inclined plane is given as 1 meter per second square, and this angle of the incline is given as 37 degree. So we are supposed to find out mass of block B, tension in the string, and acceleration of A as well as B. Okay, so let us first of all say this is, let us divide the entire string. So this is 1, 2, 3, and this is 4. Okay, so we have divided string into 4 parts, and as the string is inextensible, so the entire length, summation of the entire length should be equal to 0. Okay, or rather we say it will be constant. Okay, it means length of string 1 plus length of string 2 plus length of string 3 plus length of string 4 is constant. Now let us call this as 1. So if we double derivative the equation 1, okay, we can say, if we write length as L, okay, let us say length is written as L. So we can say length of string 1 double derivative can be written as L1 double derivative plus L2 double derivative plus L3 double derivative plus L4 double derivative is equal to 0. So length is written as L, so we can say length of string 1 is written as L1, length of string 2 is written as L2, length of string 3 is written as L3, and length of string 4 is written as L4. Okay, so length is, if you put the respective values, okay, so we get this as minus of AB, and we have length L2 double prime and L3 are with respect to block A, so this will be acceleration of A minus acceleration of A, and L4 prime is the acceleration of block C or strings 4th, so acceleration of string 4 will be same as that of acceleration of block C. So we can say this will be equal to plus 1 is equal to 0. So from here we can write that acceleration of B plus twice acceleration of A is equal to 1. Let this be equation number 2. Okay. So we have two accelerations that are associated with block A. These two are associated with block A. This is associated with block B, and this is associated with block C. Okay, you can say that L1 is for block B, L2 is for block A, L3 is also for block A, and L4 is for block C. So this gives us equation number 2. Now for block C, okay, it is given that it is moving in the downward direction in this way. See block C, it is moving in this direction with the acceleration of 1 meter per second square, and it is string which you can have tension T in upward direction. So we can say that mg will be in mcg in the downward direction, which can be divided into two components. This angle is given as 37. Okay. So we can say that we are going to have this as mcg sine 37, and this will be mcg cos of 37. So for block C, we have mcg sine of 37 minus T is equal to mca. Okay, and mass is given as, you can say mc is given as 3 kg, and acceleration, let us say this acceleration is AC. Acceleration AC is given as 1. So if you put those values, we can write this as 3g sine of 37 minus T, mc is 3 and multiply by 1, and we know value of sine of 37 is 3 by 5, so we can write this as 3g into 3 by 5 minus T is equal to 3, and from here we can say that we already know value of G, and it's not mentioned what should be take value of G. Okay, so we can say that if you put all those values, this will be equal to T will be equal to 18 minus 3, which will be given as T is equal to 15 Newton. So we got the value of tension T, and now we concentrate on block B. Okay, for block B, so this is block B. It is going to have in a downward direction mpg, and there will be tension T in the upward direction, and we say it is moving with the acceleration of AB. Okay, it is moving with the acceleration of AB in the upward direction. So for block B, we get T minus mbg is equal to, if its mass is given mass of block B, okay, so we can write here mass of block B is given as mb. So we can say this is equal to mb to ab. And for block A, okay, we can say that for block A we get, now this is block A and whose mass is given as 6, and let us suppose it is moving in this direction with the acceleration of AA, and we are going to have two tensions, or rather we can say 2T. It has this way. So if the T is the tension in the strings, so from the equation we can write that 2T will be equal to mass of A into acceleration of A, and mass of A, and we can say mass of A is given as 6. So from here we can say that 2T is equal to 6 acceleration of A, and we already know value of tension, okay, but T is equal to 15 Newton, therefore 2 into 15 divided by 6 will be acceleration of A. So if we solve it, we can say that acceleration of A will be coming as equal to 5 meter per second square. And we have already driven from equation 1, which states that acceleration of B plus twice acceleration of A is equal to 1. Okay, we write from equation 1, AB plus twice A is equal to 1. So we put value of the value of acceleration of A. Okay, so we write that AB plus twice into 10 is equal to 1. From here we can say that AB is equal to minus 9 meter per second square. Okay. Now we have to find the mass. Let us call this as equation number, I think this should be 3. 1, 2, 3, yeah. Let us call this equation number 3. So we can say that from equation 3, T minus MBG is equal to MBAB. We put the value of tension T as 15 minus MB we have to find out. So we write MBG is equal to acceleration of B is minus, so this will be minus 9 MB. Okay, so taking G as 10. Okay, just remember G is 10. So we write this as 15 is equal to, let us take MB as common, this will be minus 9 plus 10. Okay, so this will be equal to MB. So we get MB, mass of block B, is equal to 15 kg. So we get that mass of block B, mass of block B is equal to 15 kg. Acceleration of block A, acceleration of block A is given as 5 meter per second square, and it is towards right. In this direction. And last is acceleration of block B, acceleration of block B, which is coming as -9 meter per second square, and it means it will be in the upward direction because it's negative. Okay, so we can say that this will be in, sorry, not upward, let me check. Yeah, it will be downward. Okay, this will be downward because we have taken AB in our question, we have taken it as in upward direction. So AB is coming negative, so it will be in downward direction. In downward, like this. Okay, so this completes the question. Thank you.